Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to revise Evans Trizen O level from Vistas. Okay, so let's begin. So we are revising all the chapters uh, through question answer method, in which we are discussing the questions which have been asked in last 10 years examination. Okay. Question number 1. Who was Evans? Who was Evans? Who was Evans? And what was his desire about his education? And what was his desire about education? Who was Evans and what was his desire about education? So as we have seen in the story, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2010. Okay. So as we have seen in the story, Evans was a jolly good fellow. Being a jailbird, he had escaped 3 times from the jail. He had been the star of the Christmas concert. He had taken desire to, he had a keen desire. Evans had a keen desire, not taken desire. He had a keen desire to acquire some academic qualification and started taking night classes in the prison. He was preparing in an O level in German, and arrangements for his examination were done in his cell, as we have seen in the story. Then how he ran away from the prison. So all we have seen, how he planned, how they kidnapped McLeary. So before rewriting answers to all the questions, please go through the chapter once again, and then you should rewrite answers. Okay. Now let me write down the next question. Let me rub it. How was Evans helped? Question number 2. How was Evans helped? How was Evans helped in preparing for the examination? In preparing for the examination. How was Evans helped in preparing for the examination? Okay. So it has been asked in 2011. So now let us discuss answer to this question. The question is, how was Evans helped in preparing for the examination? So as we have seen in the story, he was provided a tutor, a teacher who used to come to teach him in the jail, in the prison. Okay. So the prison authorities made requisite arrangements in preparing Evans for the examination. A tutor from technical college was appointed to teach German in the night. The governor recommended his case to the examination board, and he was allowed to appear for the examination in his cell only under the invigilation of a person from St. Mary Max. Evans' escape was prevented through tight security arrangements. As he already escaped many times from the jail, he cheated the jail authorities, as we have seen in the story. So this time the jail authorities made him very tight security arrangement so that he could not escape. But even though we have seen in the end of the story how he escaped. Now, going to write question number 3. Who was Carter? Question number 3. Who was Carter? What did the governor ask him to do? What did the governor ask him to ask. It should be asked here only. Ask him to do. Who was Carter? What did the governor ask him to do? It has been asked in CBSE 2013. So now look at your book. All the answers you will find in your book if you have gone through the story. You need not think about it. Just go through the story and write down the answer. Who was Carter? What did the governor ask him to do? So Carter was the detective superintendent. Carter was the detective superintendent. He came with police party. Carter came with police party. Governor told him everything about Evans. Governor told him everything about Evans. He also told him to take McLeary along with him to look for the absconder. He also told McLeary. He also asked him to take McLeary with him to look for the absconder. So who was the absconder here? Evans. In the story, Evans was the absconder. So let me write down the next question for you. Question number 4. Who do you think was the invigilator? Who do you think? Oh, sorry, it's think, not think. Who do you think who do you think was the invigilator? Was the invigilator? How was he able to impersonate McCleary? How was he able to impersonate? How was he able to impersonate McCleary? It has been asked in CBSE 2014. Who do you think was the invigilator? How was he able to impersonate McCleary? Okay. Now look at your book. Who do you think was the invigilator? So Evans, here Evans is the examinee. Evans, the examinee himself, was the invigilator. Here in this story we had seen how the invigilator was kidnapped and Evans himself became the invigilator. So Evans, the examinee himself, was the invigilator. McCleary from St. Marley Max was appointed to invigilate Evans. Came to know that he bound McCleary securely in his study and gassed him. In this way, Evans impersonate McCleary. So simply, Evans and his some friends, even the tutor who used to teach Evans was himself involved in this conspiracy. How they kidnapped the real McCleary and they tied him in his own house, and Evans himself impersonate McCleary. Okay. Let me rub it and write down the next question for you. Question number 5. Why was the governor himself? Why was the governor himself? Why was the governor himself taking keen interest in the security? Taking keen interest, taking keen interest in the security arrangements in the security arrangements for Yvonne's examination. For Yvonne's examination. It has been asked in 2012. Why was the governor himself taking keen interest in the security arrangements for Yvonne's examination? So we have seen in the story, dear students, Yvonne's had already been escaped. He had already escaped from the jail many times. So that is why this time the jail authority was very alert about him, and this is the reason governor himself was taking the keen interest about the security of Yvonne's. So Yvonne's had already escaped 3 times from the prison, so he was called Yvonne's the Break. To avoid any sort of eventuality, tight security arrangements were made by his prison authorities. The governor himself was personally taking keen interest, and 2 senior police officers were kept on watch and vigil. A microphone was fitted in the room of Yvonne's so that the governor could see the activities going on there. So he was feeling lest Yvonne should escape. Okay. Now next question. How did the governor how did the governor think that how did the governor it is oh sorry how did the governor think that Yvonne's was safe? Governor think that Yvonne's was safe. Yvonne's was safe in his cell. In his How did the governor think that Yvonne's was safe in his cell? Okay. This is an important question. So, the way he had made the security arrangements, he arranged a microphone in the cell of Yvonne's so that he could take all the updates from the Yvonne's cell. Okay. and he also made the superintendent stand there out of the prison. So that is why he was very much sure that Yvonne would not run away, Yvonne would not escape this time. So the governor had arranged tight security for Yvonne's since he had to cross so many hurdles. There were two big iron doors between his cell and the yard. Another huge gate too stood at the prison gate. Then there was a big and high wall around the yard. All the prison officers were on his alert. Two chains and two chairs and two tables were placed for preventing Yvonne's escape. All this made the governor feel that Yvonne was safe in his cell. So this is the reason they were thinking that he was safe there, as they took the precautionary measures. So that is why they were thinking so. Next, how does the correction slip? How does the correction slip? How does the correction slip help to escape of Yvonne's? Help to escape of Yvonne's. How does the correction slip help to escape of Yvonne's? It has been asked in 2016. So as we have seen in the story, the name of the hotel was written on the correction slip. Using that information, Yvonne easily got to the hotel. So let's go through the answer to this question in your text. Let me read out this whole episode which took place. When the examination started, the assistant secretary of board rang to the governor that there was a correction slip which some fool had forgotten to place in the examination package. The slip provided the name of the hotel and gave them the opportunity to know the time when the examination had started. In this way, they killed two birds with one stone. Okay. So when the examination started, the assistant secretary of board rang to the governor that there was a correction slip which some fool had forgotten to place in the examination package. The slip provided the name to the hotel and gave them the opportunity to know the time when the examination had started. In this way, they killed two birds with one stone. Now, next question. How did McCleary want to help the police? How did McCleary, sorry, it should be capital R here. How did McCleary want to help the police? Want to help the police. How did McCleary want to help the police? McCleary had the German question paper in his hand. So he told the governor that he knew where Evans had gone. He wanted to accompany the police in finding the absconding Evans. He showed the question paper to the governor. It had some vital clues regarding Evans' escape. On the basis of these clues, he insisted that he could nab Evans. Okay, it's all about. So McCleary had the German question paper in his hand. He told the governor that he knew where Evans had gone. He wanted to accompany the police in finding the absconding Evans. He showed the question paper to the governor. It had some vital clues regarding Evans' escape. On the basis of these clues, he insisted that he could nab Evans. Okay, it's all about this question answer. Let me write down next question. What important clues were hidden? What important clues were hidden in the German question paper? In the German question paper. Question paper. It has been asked in 2019. Okay, so go through the chapter, dear students, and practice all the questions which have been discussed in the video in your own words. But before answering, you must go through your text, the story, read the chapter, and then rewrite all the answers in your own words. So thank you for watching this video, this question, I am giving you as a homework. See you tomorrow.